Pipedrive has been on the CRM space for a long time, since 2010. They were frustrated with existing software solutions that felt like data entry tools, not sales tools. So they built this platform around a very clear philosophy: bring more sales. The idea is that while you can't control the outcome of a deal, you can control the actions, the calls, emails, and meetings that lead to it. Fast forward to today, with over 100,000 companies using it, Pipedrive is now integrating advanced AI through its latest updates, like the AI Sales Assistant and new Pulse features. Today, we're going to dive deep into Pipedrive and see how this unique approach solves real-world business problems. Alright, so let's get started. When you first log into Pipedrive, the first thing you'll notice is that it's not cluttered with 1,000 options. On the left, you've got your main navigation menu. This is where you'll find everything: leads, deals, activities, contacts, and all the other tools. What we really appreciate, especially for a new user, is their setup guide. It doesn't just dump you in. It provides step-by-step guidance with video tutorials for almost everything, from syncing your email to setting up your first pipeline. This makes the getting started process genuinely easy. Now, speaking of getting started, the first thing you'll do is manage your contacts. Pipedrive handles this well by splitting contacts into two main categories: people and organizations. People are your individual contacts, the ones you email and call. Organizations are the companies they work for. Pipedrive automatically links these, so you can open an organization's profile and see everyone you know who works there. But the most valuable part here is the contacts timeline. When you open a person or organization, you get a single chronological view of every interaction, every email, call, note, and activity. You never have to dig through different tabs to find out what happened last. And if you import a list and end up with multiple entries for the same person, the Merge Duplicates feature is right there. It intelligently scans for potential duplicates and lets you combine them quickly, which keeps your database clean from the start. Once your contacts are in, you need to find new ones. This brings us to managing leads. Pipedrive has a dedicated leads inbox. This is like a pre-pipeline. It's a separate holding area for all your unqualified prospects before you decide if they're worth pursuing and converting into a deal. To fill this inbox, Pipedrive offers a powerful add-on suite called Lead Booster. This package includes live chat and chatbot, so you can engage with visitors on your website in real time, even when you're offline. It also has web forms, which are easy to build and embed on your site to capture visitor information. A key part of Lead Booster is Prospector, a tool that helps you find new outbound leads from a massive database based on criteria like company size, location, and industry. Beyond Lead Booster, the Web Visitors add-on can show you which companies are browsing your site, even if they don't fill out a form. And of course, Pipedrive has strong integrations, particularly for messaging and LinkedIn, which allows you to pull conversations and contact data from those platforms right into the CRM. When a lead is qualified, it's time to move it to the main event, which is the sales pipeline. This is the deals section, and it is the heart of Pipedrive. It's a visual Kanban-style board where each deal is a card. You can drag and drop these cards from one stage to the next as they progress, from contact made to proposal made to won or lost. The best part is that you can customize these stages completely to match your actual sales process. You can have multiple pipelines for different products or services. At a glance, you can see the total value of all deals in each stage. It also has features to help you stay on top of things. For example, you can set up deal rotting indicators, which highlight deals that have been sitting in one stage for too long. A visual cue that you need to take action. Moving those deals forward, however, requires action. Pipedrive is built on a philosophy of activity-based selling. The idea is that you can't control the outcome, but you can control your actions. The Activities section is your to-do list, but it's directly linked to your deals and contacts. When you move a deal, Pipedrive prompts you to schedule the next activity. This simple workflow is incredibly effective at preventing leads from falling through the cracks. You can manage your tasks in a list view, or see them in your calendar, as it has a powerful two-way sync with Google and Microsoft calendars. It ensures that for every deal in your pipeline, you always know what the next step is. Now, if you're doing all this activity, you need to know what's working. This brings us to Insights and Sales Inbox. The Insights area is Pipedrive's reporting and analytics hub. You can create custom dashboards to track key metrics, deal conversion rates, sales velocity, activity goals, and revenue forecasts. It's highly visual and helps you spot trends and identify bottlenecks in your process. The new AI-powered report creation even lets you ask for a report in plain language. Paired with this is the Sales Inbox. This isn't a replacement for your regular email, but rather a dedicated inbox inside Pipedrive that syncs with your work email. It automatically links emails to your contacts and deals, so all your communication is tracked and organized in one place. Beyond those core functions, Pipedrive has expanded significantly. So let's talk about them. Starting with Pulse, an AI-powered feature that analyzes your data to suggest next steps and flag deals at risk. Then there's Products, which lets you build a catalog of goods or services, making it easy to add them to deals and monitor sales. Projects brings light project management to the table, so once a deal closes, you can handle delivery or onboarding right within Pipedrive. Campaigns introduces built-in email marketing for nurturing leads. Automations saves hours by handling repetitive actions like sending follow-ups. Automatic assignment smartly routes leads to the right salesperson. Sequences builds multi-step automated email chains. Documents organizes proposals and contracts, while import and export data keeps everything seamless. And lastly, the Marketplace connects you with hundreds of app integrations to push Pipedrive even further. So, after looking at all that, Pipedrive remains a top contender, especially for sales teams that need a visual, easy-to-use system. It's focused on action and clarity. If your current process feels clunky, or you're losing deals in a messy spreadsheet, Pipedrive is worth a serious look. We recommend starting a free trial to see if that visual pipeline works for you. Try it out and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more software insights like this.